What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, it's going to be just like a vlog style, and I got a couple things going on. I'm getting a new trailer. I got to put shocks on the truck, and me and Carson are going to hang out. Hey, bud. What are we going to do today? You going to help me work on the truck?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and start doing some stuff.
I want to film you.
You want to film me?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll let you hold the camera a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this vlog style video for today, and stay tuned. All right, bud. You filming me? Can you see me? All right, let's go ahead and start working, okay?
Okay.
I think we'll go ahead and start the truck. Make sure the battery's even.
Okay.
Okay?
I hold this in short.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Why don't you go on the back of the truck and we'll get a cold start. So film the exhaust in the back.
Okay. Again.
Yeah, you did. It's because the screen turned off because it's still there. It's still recording. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Did you get that cold start? Hopefully it turned out. Guess we'll see you in the editing. But, yeah. Got the truck started. Gonna warm that up. Then we're gonna start moving the trailer, unlock the trailer, start making some room for the new trailer. And then, at some point, we're gonna get to the shocks.
A few moments later.
I also forgot to mention in the video that yesterday actually at the store, remember yesterday, dude, when we were at the store, the Subaru battery died and we were stranded and had to get a jump. Let's see if this actually will start up, but that's another task for today, is replacing the battery on this thing.
Dad.
What?
My drive.
You're gonna drive?
Yeah.
Scoot over so I
I
can get
drive
in.
with you.
Okay. We're not gonna drive anywhere. We're just gonna see if it starts. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, do it now.
Hey, you don't have to yell. See what this puppy's gonna do. I have a feeling it's probably not gonna start, but it might.
Let's sit with you.
Of course it starts right up. Well, anyways, getting stranded at the store was enough, so I'll probably replace the battery today. And so I don't have that problem again. I'll let you just film whatever you want. You film me or whatever. And you just take it and show whatever you want to show. Okay? You want to show me?
Do this shut.
Okay. Well, I gotta shut the door, so get out of the way. We got our bolts for our shocks right here.
Yeah.
Because currently, I don't know if anybody's noticed, but my truck doesn't have any shocks on it for some reason.
No.
When I bought it, I didn't even notice.
No.
And then I procrastinated for about a year to buy some. Thanks, Justin, and
Yeah.
everybody else that mentioned it. I finally got shocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some
Go
way.
ahead, show everybody the side by
Have
side.
that on.
Tell them about it. Maybe show them the light.
Okay. Who's inside it? Hey, everybody. I'm gonna show you light. Yeah. Yeah.
Show them the switch. No, show them the switch.
This?
You got to turn the camera and show them. Show them the switch that lights up.
Where?
Yeah, you can't. You got to. There you go. See, and then here. Now hand it to me, and I'll show them the light. Yeah, see everybody? The cool light bar. Here.
Okay. I'll do that.
Okay. Well, you got to turn the light off first.
I want to show
Show 'em some
everybody
more stuff.
that.
Oh yeah. Hi guys.
Woo woo!
Woo woo.
Woo woo! Woo woo!
What else should we film?
But
We got a lot to do today.
why don't my truck? We're holding this.
Oh, you want to show them your quad?
Yeah.
Right on your quad and show 'em?
Yeah. Want to hold this? Want to lie down my trod too. Right, Dad?
All right.
Yeah, this. Yeah, done.
Okay, we gotta put your seat on now. Put your seat on.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. What happened? Did you get stuck? You just got to pull it out. You got it. Hammer down. Full send. Uh-oh. What'd you do? You break it?
No.
Give it gas. Is that it?
No, Mom.
You must have blew a fuse. You must have been stuck too much. So we'll have to change out the fuse, bud.
2 hours later.
So I got a couple goodies that just showed up. I got a snatch block, tree saver, synthetic rope for the winch that I have been talking about and I still haven't installed, but I'm waiting on a bumper. Should be here within the week. And stay tuned for that video, because once I get the bumper, then we can install the winch and the bumper, and we'll have a cool video for that. So stay tuned for that. I'll put a link up here just in case for when I finish that video. So here are the new rear shocks for the Chevy. All I did was I just picked up some cheap ones, the Skyjackers. They were like about 40 bucks each. This truck is actually possibly going bye-bye in a couple months, so I wasn't too concerned about quality or anything. I just wanted to get some new shocks on there, because new shocks would be better than no shocks at all. So let's go ahead and try and put the bushings in here and get the whatever these are called in there, and then we'll get them installed on the truck. And there you go, it's just that easy. And there we go, shocks are installed. The battery actually died halfway through the install. I didn't even notice, but there you go. Looking good. Alright, so now we'll just take it for a test drive and make sure there's no clunking or anything. Put this up on the thing and see how good this records up on the dash. See if you can even see me, I don't know. Probably a bad idea, probably gonna fall, but we'll test it out and we'll see. Alright, so let's take this thing on a test drive and see how much different it is. Alright, first impressions so far, I can already tell a difference, I think, unless it's my mind. But when I hit like manholes and stuff like that, I can definitely tell a difference, because when I hit a manhole, the whole back end is, you know, kind of whoop, 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 whoop. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna hit a main street and then we will see how it really rides. So far, so good. So far I'm liking it. So far so good. But we haven't hit any like harsh bumps. It's usually when I'm driving down the freeway or something and I'll hit like a what do you call it, like a divider, not a divider, but a seam in the concrete in the freeway, and I could literally feel my ass into the truck pick up and kind of just be like woo, whoa, and it's pretty sketchy feeling. But I hardly ever drive my truck. Literally, I've had this truck for 3.5 years and I've put less than 4,000 miles on it. So I only drive it when, you know, when I'm like towing the side-by-side. So once I have the weight of the side-by-side and the trailer on the back, I don't even feel that. That's why I haven't really upgraded the shocks, is because I don't ever really notice it. But part of the reason I don't have any mileage on the truck is because it drove like shit. But from driving right now, it actually feels really good. I'm pretty excited. Maybe I'll start driving this thing to work. Can't take too much of a drive because the new trailer, well, it's not new trailer, it's used trailer, but it's in good shape, and forgot where I was going with this. Yeah, we have to head back because the trailer's going to be delivered to the house.
A few moments later.
All right, saying goodbye to our trailer. Say goodbye, trailer, because now we got a new trailer. All right, I didn't do much filming, but here you go. Here is the new trailer. It's a dual axle, tandem axle, car trailer. It's way bigger. It's a 16-foot long, so we're gaining 4 feet of space. So whatever we want to do with it, we can haul an extra quad or put a bigger toolbox or whatever we want to do. But I have lots of room, and now I'll be able to actually tow my, well, you can't see it, but here's the Chevelle. When I want to go to the beach or to the rod run or whatever, I can tow the Chevelle to wherever I want for cruise ins or whatever. I'm talking long distance, obviously. Otherwise, I would just drive it, but you get the picture. But now we've upgraded, so that's good. Thank you, Alex, for that. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. The wood looks pretty good. There's just a couple little bit of rot spots, but taillight needs to be fixed, and fenders are a little rough, but not too bad. But it's a good little project, and I'm pretty happy with the what we have in store for this. I'm thinking that I'll make this fender over here hingeable so that it can be let down, or so that it would move, so that when I pull the Chevelle up on here, I can move the fender out of the way, open the door, get out, and it'll be good to go. But yeah, there it is. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out for this video. It's kind of all over the place. It's doing lots of stuff today, but it's been a busy day. I still haven't fixed the Subaru, but I'm not going to film it. I just got to change out the battery. But let me know down in the comments below if you like the vlog style, seeing my everyday life, and whatever. But I'm pretty excited on the new trailer. We are going to do some modifications, so stay tuned for videos on that. But yeah, make sure you check out some of my riding videos and my tutorials, and just peruse, go through all my channel, check out some other videos, and thanks for watching. Peace out.